In this video, I am going to talk more about the canvas and different ways to move it. This video, we're going to talk about what this little circle arrow button is, which is a rotation button. Rotating, pushing the one that's going to the left causes the canvas to shift to the left. You can go all the way around, returning back here, and you see the numbers move here. Going the opposite way does the exact same thing, but clockwise. You can also change it by just clicking one of these buttons inside of here, one of these numbers. If you make your canvas turn around and you want it to go back to its original spot, you simply push the square that's next to the rotation buttons, just like that. This button, normal, it has these little arrows next to it. It lets you flip the screen, the canvas horizontally, and then back to the original spot, just like that. I mean, I've never actually had any use or purpose to use this. I'm sure it's some use or purpose, but that's another thing that moves the canvas. The next thing, if you go up here to the canvas button, you'll see it says flip horizontally, flip vertically, flip, rotate 90 degrees, rotate another 90 degrees clockwise and counterclockwise. Now the difference between rotating and flipping horizontally this canvas, when it compares to these rotate them, and this flips it, these are not permanent changes. If you change, first of all, currently you see our width is 8.5 and our height is 11. That's our page. But if you flip the page horizontally or flip it vertically, you'll see that it's upside down. That is how it is now. I mean, we can go back by pushing undo, or we can leave it the same with flipping it horizontally. If you rotate your canvas, they're talking about the paper, to counterclockwise, it changes the canvas size. Let's go see what it is now. Originally it was 8.5 by 11, now it's 11 by 8.5. You can either just go back or rotate it clockwise, and it's back to its original size canvas. Those are permanent changes to your canvas and work, unless you undo them. These are not permanent. You can undo it very simple and easily. Another button, which was the back button, as I showed you a minute ago, this simply undo whatever. It will undo anything or any mistake you make up to a certain amount. Don't remember the certain amount. This is not a forever undo button, so please believe if you make a bunch of marks all over the place and you want to go back, this is not going to undo all of them. It may get 20 of them, if 20, and then it stops. It doesn't go any further than that. So that's all I'm going to teach you in this tutorial. The rotation buttons, normalizing the screen, flipping the paper left and right, and permanently changing your canvas size, your width and height by pushing these, flipping horizontally and vertically your drawing that's on your paper. And I think that's it. I'll see you in the next tutorial.